Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session we are going to see how to control the NeoPixel RGB LED strip controlled by our Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, so we have here our 60 LED strip, means the LED is basically in the strips is a 60. Okay, and how to control this strip with the help of Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, so before we move to our practical, friends, if you learned something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you so much, and just let's start. So friends, as you can see, this is what our 60 pixel LED strips. Okay, and it has basically the three colors on the main wire, if you see here. Okay, so friends, as you can see here, it has three colors, three wires: white, green and red. Okay, so red one is the 5 volt, then green one is for the data, and white is for the ground. Okay, so red is for the 5 volt of our Raspberry Pi 4, and green one we are going to connect with the Raspberry Pi 4 pin number 12, 2 pin number 12, and white we are going to connect with the ground. Okay, so now this is what the connectivity for our Raspberry Pi 4. Now I am going to show you the pins diagram. Okay, again, so friends, this is what our Raspberry Pi 4 pins. Okay, so as I told you, the RGB LED strips, as you can see here, again it has three wires. Okay, I hope you all see clear. It has three wires, the red, green and white. So red we are going to connect with the Raspberry Pi 4 power pin. Okay, 5 volt power. Then the green one, which is the data pin, we are going to connect with the physical pin number 12 and GPIO 18. So physical pin number 12 connect with the RGB LED strip green wire, and the ground goes to with ground. So ground pin is 6, or if you can go with the 14, because 14 is also ground and 6 is also ground. So power connect with the 5 volt, then ground connect with the 14, or it may be a 6, or if any other ground pin, because the Raspberry Pi 4 has also 30 is also ground pin, so you can connect with the ground. And the main thing is what, which is the green color wire. So green color wire we are going to connect with the physical pin number 12 and GPIO pin number 18. So this is what the connectivity for our RGB LED strip with our Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, so then we want to install the package. So I'm going to show you here a package, which package we are going to install here. We are going to install this package. As you can see, I will mention all the link, means I will mention the package, also I will mention the script. I will mention this package inside the description box. You need to simply copy it from the description box. Also I will mention the script with my GitHub repository. Okay, so this is what the package: sudo pip3 install rpi wx281x Adafruit circuit Python NeoPixel keyboard. Keyboard is not necessary here. Okay, so there is no need for installing the keyboard package. So this is the package, friends. Okay, sudo pip3 install rpi wx281x Adafruit circuit Python -NeoPixel. This is a complete one package, Adafruit circuit Python NeoPixel. Okay, so you need to install the package. I will mention the link. You need to simply copy and paste inside your Raspberry Pi 4 terminal. Connect the strip with the Raspberry Pi 4 as I told you. Also friends, as you can see here, I have created here a 5 functions in while loop. As you can see, 1 2 3 4 5. Suppose if you want to stop now the RGB LED strip, you have to simply comment these all 5 functions, and you need to simply uncomment the 6th one, because 6th one is for the 000. As you can see, the 00 is basically the off the RGB LED strip. Okay, so you need to simply comment the all first 5 functions and just uncomment it the 6th one. Okay, so I am going to show you like this way. Okay, as you can see here, friends, I have comment it all the 5 functions using hash. As you can see, I have just set the hash in front of these functions and just enable the color 6. Okay, so right now the strip is on. Now if I just run again the script, as you can see the strip is off. So if you want to off all the 6 functions, all the 5 functions, you need to simply comment it 5 and just uncomment the 6th one. Okay, and then your RGB LED strip will be complete off. So this is how I have created a script. You can change as per your requirement, friends. I hope you will learn something from this video. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.